This is Wayne preparing for the Sydney to Canberra trip. Now putting his cat on.
Should be fun. Forward to it. Sort of.
That's my bike ready to roll. That's better. She's not coming with us.
It's 5:30, 11th of January, 11, we're about to head off. It would.
Just coming into Campbelltown, but we have a problem. Yep, one punch up. First one, 10k in. Leaving Campbelltown now, thank God. Gonna get back on the U. Dropped a few K's average there. It's not too bad, done 25k. We're just left Pheasant's Neck and got another punch out. Still got about 30k to go to Mittagong. Mittagong, Macca's for 80k, light drizzle, doing okay. I've just had a punch on my front tyre. I'm just going to get into some Macca's. Okay, just leaving Mittagong. We've got about, how far we've got to go, Wayne? 80. About 80k to Goulburn. He's still pretty downhill for Canberra, 173, Goulburn, 81. So Wayne, how's the car, how's the ride going?
Yeah, good.
No problems at all, yeah, pretty good matey. I nearly fell off then. I'm going to stop this. That's the view we've got. That's 70 out of Goulburn. Number 4. We're about 50k from Goulburn. Wayne's back tyre again. About 10k out of Marulan. Another puncher on the back wheel for Wayne. We've lost count now. Yep. Refreshments at Marulan. Over halfway. About 30k to go to Goulburn. Just leaving Goulburn, just been to Paragon, had a great meal. Top of the range. And I'm rooted. Edmondson. Rest area, you guessed it. Another puncher on Wayne's back tyre. I've lost count. Pretty knackered as well. About another 50-60k to go to Canberra. That's the Wheatley rest area. Lake George. Bit of a look round. How you feeling, Wayne?
Shit. I'm not doing this, Steve.
This is your idea. I wonder how Luke and Tim are going.
Probably pretty well.
Okay, we've got about another 50k to go. Probably less, 30. But Wayne's going for crap. See you, Wayne. Well, I'm stuffed as well. We've got to climb the hills now to drop into Canberra. It's going to be a hard hour and a half. So yeah. Wayne, are you knackered?
Yeah, I'm over it.
What you want to see? Right now in tower. Oh, not Wayne, the back of Wayne. That's the first time I've actually seen it. He's actually wearing my knicks. First time he's been front, look at that. Southern Medina, just fallen off. finished. It didn't make it up it. There's Wayne actually walking. One bike, two bikes with another flat tyre.
That's not mine,